Alright, so I was sent this truck bed cover for the Cybertruck by Teslaunch. We're going to be trying it out, seeing how it fits, what it looks like, and yeah, let's go ahead and remove this bag. Alright, the bag's going to be a little tricky. It's kind of getting caught. There we go. Okay. So it comes like this. You can see it's folded. It's actually folded into 3 parts, and this is actually going to be upside down, so I'm going to have to flip it. Okay. So the bottom is actually on the inside, so when you unfold it, you need to make sure it's best to have this facing that way. Then when you open it up, it goes like that, and then you can unfold the other portion just like this. Okay, so here we go. We're going to have to go into the truck bed to pull that all the way down, but let's go ahead and get that in. All right, just like this. And let's see if we can push it in from here without having to go all the way in the truck bed. Yes, we can. There you go. Very easy to install. Obviously, it's going to need some time to unroll. It got all rolled up from shipping, so it's kind of like folding up and stuff. Okay. As you can see, it has these holes so you can still access everything here. It has this rubbery texture. I'm feeling it with my bare feet here. All right, and you want to actually tuck this down, make sure it's all good. Okay, again, it is going to take some time for this to kind of unfold. There's like some lumpies here, but that's because it's folded from shipping. As you put stuff on it and let it sit, obviously it's going to go down. All right, and yeah, so I'm not too sure why they put these like lines here going horizontal. Kind of interesting, especially since they only fold it into 3. You can see it has extra lines. It only folds in, yeah, I don't know why that little last bit has that line in it. Okay, anyways, so there's what it looks like. You can see it's all lumpy, and you can still access this, and it's not too heavy, so the thing can stay up. Anyways, I'm gonna put my air mattress back on top of it, and then you can see it shouldn't really change much. Okay, you can see there's that. This is rubbery. This is kind of plasticky feeling, or whatever they use, I don't know. But yeah, I mean, it feels like plasticky, but it holds up well. All right, I did have something scrape it, like a heavy couch, and you can see it barely even damaged it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the air mattress on top, and you'll be able to see what it looks like. You do kind of want to make sure to pull these edges up, and then make sure to kind of push it down to tuck it properly. Okay, so there we go. That way it's seated completely in, because this can kind of, as you can see, flex out still some more. All right, so let me get the air mattress set up, and then I'll show you that. All right, so here you can see it is with the bed on top, and it works fine. All right, this stuff again is going to need some time to deflate, and we can still open this with everything on it. All right, as you can see, looks good. All right, we're going to drop this back down. The rubber flaps do hit this a little bit. It was like hitting it. I don't know if you can see that. See, it gets caught on there, but it doesn't stop it from opening, so yeah, not a big deal. And it fits well. Oops, I should throw the little baggie back in there. Oh, so you can see now with the mattress, it's kind of heavy that I have to open it all the way for it to stay up. You can still put stuff in there. You can still close it. You can see we have the whole mat under there. Looks good. And obviously we can close it. It works perfectly fine. You can see the mat in there, the clearance, it looks good. All right, so that's pretty much it. Mattress on top works well. It's gonna hopefully help flatten that down. I know this isn't a video about the mattress, it's a video about this, and it should be good. It's pretty rubbery. All right, I'm sure if you tried hard enough you can scratch it up. I don't want to scratch it up on purpose, but yeah. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped you find useful products for your Cybertruck. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. One thing to take note of, if you're using this thing for like moving stuff, and if you usually use moving blankets or stuff to put under, the moving blanket's going to stick to this, so keep that in mind if you're going to use this cover. Okay, The one good thing though is you should be able to pull this whole tray out if you lift it up enough. So you can actually slide the whole tray out and you can move stuff out of your truck bed that way. So yeah, this adds some extra functionality. Okay, you can see I could pull the whole tray out and whatever's on top will come with it. So yeah, useful thing. One other thing though, I don't know if it's gonna, if you have heavy stuff, it's gonna be really hard. I don't know if you'll be able to move this or not. So keep that in mind. If you like sliding things out and you're not worried about damaging and scraping this stuff up, then you'd probably go without this. With this on there, the stuff that you put on is gonna grip a lot better into there. So keep that in mind. It's not gonna be easy to like slide things out if that's how you use the truck bed. All right, so that's pretty much it again. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.